Hey everyone, my name is Gavin, and this will just be a quick tutorial on how to activate an actuator with Python, but without defining it within the script. And I'm just going to get started. So to start off, let's go from defaults to game logic, Blender render, Blender game. And on our cube, let's add an always sensor, or a mouse sensor, sorry. I'll just call this click like this. Alright, and now that we have this, let's connect that to a Python controller like this. Python like that. And add a motion actuator, motion like this. Rename this motion as move, and let's do 0.25. That'll be the speed on the y-axis. Now that we have this, let's connect those like this. Drag this out, and do templates Python and then game logic simple right here, and delete the portion I've highlighted. Hit Control and scroll up on your mouse to make your text larger, and rename this as scripts.py and add this right here. Once we have this, what we're going to do is have it, since it's just going to run the script whenever we press the mouse button, we're just going to do controller.activate const.actuators move. So normally what we do is we'd have a variable called move itself be equal to this section right here, but since we don't need to at the moment because we're only using it for one line, we don't need it. So if we hit P and click, we'll see it'll start moving like this. Alright guys, that is how you activate an actuator without defining it, and I hope you guys find this very useful.